Alright, this is my very first video for YouTube, so try to be kind. I'll try to keep this short and sweet. This whole story starts with a 460 Rowland I bought, or actually a 460 Rowland kit I bought. At the time, I was really looking for a 1911, and I was also looking for a better bear gun. All my bear guns are single action, so I thought a semi-automatic could be kind of nice. The Desert Eagle, a few other ones out there, maybe the Kunin. But the 460 Roland kind of caught my eye, and I found this kit, so I picked it up. The price was right. Then I needed to buy a 1911, so I bought this Kimber here. That's another story. Not my favorite gun I've ever bought, but it does the job for now. It does fit its niche as a bear gun. The 460 Rowland you can approach 1,000 foot-pounds of energy with it. It's quite an amazing round. But I'm a caster, I'm a home loader, and I'm cheap. So what I ended up doing is I also shoot the 45 Colt, and I cast a lot for it. And I have this old wore-out mold, a Lee mold. It's the 255 grain round nose, round flat nose. I can't remember the exact name of it, but it was getting to its end. I put thousands of rounds through this thing. It's a good mold, but I mean, it's aluminum, and it's at the end of its life. But so I thought, I got to looking at it, and I'm thinking, well, you know, if I took the first driving band off of it, I might be able to crimp a gas check to the bottom of it. And so I tried that. I just milled the bullet off, and it worked. I crimped a gas check to it. That worked fine. So I went ahead and took the mold itself and locked her up in my mill, and using a fly cutter, got everything level, and machined off that first driving band. I'm lucky enough to own a mill. Most of you aren't, but it's an extremely simple operation. You could probably have it done for, find a friend, find somebody who'll do it, find somebody with, somebody like me that's got one. And I mean, 15, 20 bucks, you should be able to get her done. It's like I said, a super simple operation. And what I ended up with is this mold. You can tell it's a little thinner on the top. And if you take it into them with the sprue plate pulled off and whatnot, it should not be a big deal. They should be. When you're done, you may have to, the sprue plate, these like to come out the top after you machine it off. So you got to stake them. This one I didn't have to stake, but this one I did. It started to migrate through there. That's no big deal. You just smooth it off. But as you can see on the bullets, what I did, this is an original bullet, and I took the very bottom driving band off, and the grease groove became the crimping point for the gas check. And it works out really good. It's amazingly accurate. It feeds really well. I haven't had any problems with that. Recently I've started powder coating, and this is what I came up with on that. And knowing I've shot quite a few powder coated bullets lately, nothing gas checked. This is the first time I've actually tried gas checking one, and it worked out really good. I can't imagine that this was going to be a problem at all. So as far as ease and ability to make some serious cast lead projectiles that are going to stand up to the pressures and the velocities of the 460 Rowland, I can't imagine it won't work out really well. The like I said, they're extremely accurate. I've been really happy with it. I plan to actually buy another mold, and actually I plan to buy 2 more molds because I need to replace the 45 Colt mold, and then I want to modify this mold, or I want to modify another new mold into this because I got a feeling this is going to be my favorite bullet. I'm going to modify this one to take off the next drive band, and I will end up with something like this, which is a 175 grain bullet with a gas check, and then I'll probably powder coat it because there's no more grease screws left in it. But I'm thinking 1600 plus feet per second out with that baby with the 460 Rowland should not be a problem. Thanks for watching.